In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF in Drawboard. Now, the first thing you have to do here is, of course, open up your PDF. And as you can see, the first thing you'll see, of course, is the PDF, all the pages, stuff like that. So here on the top left, you can see the pages, and you can go ahead and, of course, select the one you want to go to. And then if you right-click on that, you can even rotate them. You can insert new pages, you can duplicate them, you can clear the annotations, you can flatten all the annotations, etc. Okay? So that's the first thing you want to have to know. Now, in here, of course, to edit the PDF, you have a bunch of different options. On the right-hand side here, you can see kind of this tools panel. This one is the rectangle. So this is the first one. The hand one is pan, so you can just move around. The second one is kind of a selection, so we can select the different things and then edit them over here, as you can see at the bottom. Then here, this thing over here is actually called a laser pointer. So here you can basically like point in case you're presenting something. Here you have like a pen. So with this pen, you can go ahead and draw whatever you want here on your PDF. You have the highlighter. So for this, you can highlight if you want to highlight something here on your PDF as well. And then here you have the eraser. So if you've got any annotations you want to erase, you can do that just like this. As you can see, it's actually quite convenient and quite fun doing this. And then here you have the strike through. So if you want to strike through some text, you can do that just like this. As you can see, it's very simple. You have the text tool, which will allow you to place a text box and type in whatever you want. And of course, whenever you do this, you can of course edit that as well. So as you can see, if I now click on it, down here at the bottom, I can edit different properties such as text colors, the fonts, font styles, sizes, alignments, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do in here as well. Here you can see, of course, you have a bunch of different tools as well. So depending on however you have customized this, you may be able to see some of them or different ones. So if I click on the plus button, I can also add in another tool. So as you can see, there's like a bunch of different ones: the freeform, shape, review, measure, insert, select. Now some of these are premium, as you can see, but a lot of them are actually free, and you can use them easily if you don't have the premium plan as well. So for example, if you want to add a separate tool here, it's actually very simple. You can just go and of course remove one of these from the list here in case you have too many. For example, this image tool, drag and drop it into this trash bin. You can click on the plus icon, find a new one here. So for example, the rectangle, click on the plus button, and it's going to get added down here. You can then just select it, and via that, you can of course create your rectangles or of course whatever you've done. So that's basically how to edit a PDF in Drawboard. You can just use these tools here, and you can go ahead and stylize it however you want. You can either right click to like flatten things over here to actually make them like part of the PDF and non-editable anymore. And yeah, that's how to edit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.